Hi there, this is Lula LV. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending some of your time with me today. I'm coming to you with a triple unboxing. I'm super excited. I received all of these packages within the last week. That's a lot for me. I typically don't order this much within such a short time frame. So I decided to save everything for this video and do a triple unboxing. I have a pair of shoes from Manolo Blahnik. I have a small leather good from Dior, which I purchased via Fashion File. And I have a brand new item that is fresh off the delivery truck from Louis Vuitton. As you can see, I haven't even opened the outer packaging. All I did was remove the address label with my personal information on it. So I'm going to save this till the end and it will be a true unboxing of this piece. It's a seasonal limited edition piece, so I'm super excited to add it to my collection. And if all of that sounds interesting to you, please grab a snack, sit back, and enjoy these unboxings. I just set aside the packages from Fashion File and Louis Vuitton so we can get started with the shoes from Manolo Blahnik. I purchased these from Nordstrom. They were on sale for 70% off. I couldn't believe it. They're absolutely gorgeous shoes. Originally priced at $745. I purchased them, as I said, on sale, 70% off for $223. This is the care booklet. This is a note from Nordstrom that they include with all of their designer purchases, that if you need to return the item, you have to return it with the original packaging, original condition, and all tags attached. Here's the dust bag for the shoes, and let's open them up. So excited for these. This was the last pair of shoes available on the site. This beautiful pair of blue sandals. They are a size 39.5. And on the website, under the fit specifications, it did say that these shoes run small and to size up half a size. I would say that's true. They are a little tight around the crisscross that goes over the toes, this bottom area, but they're just absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the side of the box with the style information. So these are the Talitha sandals in a leather with a beautiful linen across the toe, and these are a size 39.5. I'm typically a woman's size 9, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. It's a 90 millimeter heel height, and I just thought these were really lovely for the price. I'm planning to wear these to a baptism in a few weeks. Now let's move on to my Dior purchase from Fashion File. I'm super excited for this. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen I teased this item earlier this week. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will link my profile below, so please do head over there and give me a follow. I'm super excited. This is actually my very first item from Dior. This was listed on the site in giftable condition. So that means the item is brand new. The original packaging, dust bag, and the original tags are still attached to the item. I decided to get this from Fashion File because it was listed in new giftable condition and it was $200 less than if I purchased it new from Dior itself. And I thought for that price, it was worth it. For me, it's fine. If I was actually gifting this to someone else, I would probably just put in some fresh white paper. I purchased a wallet. This is so beautiful. I love this so much. It's the Cara wallet. Let me open it up. It includes this felt protector. And it includes the original tags attached to the zipper. So you can see here, this is the original retail tag. And this is the certificate of authenticity tag from Fashion File. And here is the Fashion File information regarding this product. This is such a beautiful, soft, supple leather. It's a grained leather, as you can see. I was really surprised by how soft this leather is. I love this wallet because it has the classic canage stitching that Christian Dior is known for. It has the CD logo here. However, I do think it's pretty low key. There's no really loud logos on this, so I really like that. You can see inside, let me take these separators out. There are 6 card slots in the back, as well as a long compartment for cash. You can see Christian Dior Paris here. There's even the stickers still over the hardware. And the date code is stamped in the back. And it says made in Italy as well. So we have a slip pocket, 6 card slots, as well as a larger compartment, a zippered section for coins, another large compartment, 6 additional card slots here, and 4 card slots in the front. So that would be 12, 18 card slots, 2 large open compartments, a slip compartment, and a zippered compartment. So you can fit really anything and everything in this wallet. There is no compartment on the back, on the exterior, which I don't mind. This is listed on the Dior website for $990 US. However, I purchased it from Fashion File in new giftable condition for $795. So that's a $200 discount, just about 20% off of this item. And for me, I thought that savings was really great, especially for a wallet. Of course, the benefit that you would get from ordering this directly from Dior is the authenticity guarantee. You're not relying on a third-party authenticator to guarantee that this is an authentic item. But for a wallet, for a small leather good, that was a risk I was willing to take for this particular piece. Let's move on now to the third and final unboxing for this video. I'm super, super excited because I'm going to see it for the first time with you. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. Here you can see Louis Vuitton. Oh, okay, let's open it up. Let's not drop anything. Okay, here we have the box as well as the receipt. I'm not going to open this on camera because I don't want to show my personal information. So I will set that aside and have a look at it in a minute. Here we go. Okay, let's get this facing the right way here. I don't know which way this tag is supposed to go. Let's just open it up. Here we go. Okay. And da-da-da, the little dust bag. It's a small item. What could it be? It's a small leather good. Here we go. Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is the Victorine wallet from the brand new Damier Azur Studs collection. Oh my goodness, look at this. So if you've watched any of my videos before, you may have seen I got my first Damier Azur piece About maybe 2 months ago, I ordered the Damier Azur Alma BB from the Spring in the City collection. I will link above my original unboxing video, as well as a follow-up video I did comparing the Alma BB to the Alma PM. So I'll link those up there. I have quite a few Louis Vuitton pieces, but that was my first in Damier Azur, and I absolutely loved it way more than I thought I would. And I just had to get this wallet to match. I absolutely love, so it has the metal button and these little gold studs, as well as these little painted fuchsia pink flowers, and it goes around to the back. And open it up. Okay, here we go. Take that little separator out. This beautiful, beautiful fuchsia pink interior. I believe it's technically called rose fuchsia. This is the Victorine wallet, as I mentioned before. There is the coin slot here, and here is the materials card. Oh, there is something on the back. There we go. The guidelines on their website for caring for your product, and here is the style code as well. I absolutely love this, and it comes with 6 card slots, a bill pocket in the back, and as well as 2 slip, oh, no, not 2, just 1. Yep, that's connected on both sides, and 1 slip pocket behind there. I was just rewatching the original footage, and I'm going to interrupt very quickly to point out that the smudge you can see right here in the wallet, I wiped away. I was so excited unboxing this that I didn't even notice at first there was a smudge here, and I'm sure eagle-eyed viewers would notice it and probably comment below. So I just wanted to let you know I wiped it away. I'm not sure what it was, but it's no defect with the wallet itself. So that smudge is gone. I also realized I forgot to mention the price on this. This was 690 US dollars. The Victorine wallet in canvas is currently 575 US dollars, but because this is the special edition with the studs, it was priced a little higher at 690. This is the first Victorine wallet I've purchased, so I'm seeing this style for the first time along with you. It says a Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. I don't see any issues whatsoever with this. As I mentioned, I got my first Damier Azur piece, the Alma BB, about 2 months ago, and I was in the market for a couple wallets. I didn't really need, but I wanted a new long wallet as well as a new compact wallet. I went with a long wallet from Dior because I was really interested in exploring that brand. I have a lot from Louis Vuitton. I don't have anything from Dior, and a small leather good is a great way to try something out from a new brand without spending thousands of dollars on a new bag. And then for the compact wallet, I decided to go with this from Louis Vuitton because I love the new Damier Azur print, and I wanted one of my wallets in this print. I absolutely love this studs collection. They had a studs collection last year in the Damier Ebene, similar with the gold studs and flowers on it. This year they've released it in Damier Azur, and I love this wallet in this print because typically the Damier Azur bags and small leather goods have a very light pink interior, which is called rose ballerine. And I was a little worried about having a wallet with a light pink interior because I didn't want the wear to show up on it. I thought with the light pink, it would probably show stains and wear a lot quicker. But when I saw this in the print I wanted and with a darker interior, I just absolutely had to get it. Oh, so I'm so excited. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really hope you enjoyed this triple unboxing. Let me get all the girls back. Okay, here we go. We have our Dior wallet, our Louis Vuitton wallet, my Manolos. Here we go. Is that just gorgeous? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.